Yeah.
27 at Mansfield and 24 at Youngstown, Ohio.
KHB 59. Oh, KDO's going.
For the KDO 94 listening area of northeast inland Ohio. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area, the test will be postponed until the following day. This ends the test of the NOAA radio warning alarm. At 11 a.m., weather reports for selected cities at Cleveland Hopkins Airport. At 11 a.m., weather reports for selected cities. The temperature was in Regional Airport. Snow flurries were reported. The temperature was 26 degrees.